Okay, zoomed out as far as I can go, so you guys are gonna have to pardon me. But here's my Atlas lathe that never had power feed. I found the gears for the power feed in a cardboard box that I didn't know I had, and installed all of them. And the half nuts were shot. It was a mess. So, yeah, I can't get down there, I don't think. Yeah, you can just barely see them. You can see the brass half nuts in there. Brand new brass half nuts from China, of course. But anyway, does power feed work now? Boy, does it ever. We're on lowest speed on the lathe, lowest gearing, and power feed has the tallest gearing it can go. In other words, the slowest. So here we go. Power on. Lathe is working. And power feed is engaged. And it's working. It's moving the carriage. Like I said, this is the slowest speed you can run the power feed on. So if you look close here, you can actually see the shaft turning. And so we'll disengage that. That's for the saddle. And we'll engage the cross feed. And there goes the cross feed. So we'll reverse direction. We'll reverse direction. All right, why won't you go in now? There we go. Reverse direction. Now we're spinning the other way. And there we go. It's slow. It's on the slowest speed you can come up with the gear combinations, which is great for finishing off a part, but you can see it's working. And cross slide. And there we go. So there we have it. The Atlas now has power feed, which it hasn't had in the 8 or 10 years since I've owned it. So cool. Looking forward to playing with it now. Cheers.